some of the planned maintenance, recycling, retexturing treatments we do, we undertake a variety of treatments, and these are usually dictated by the current condition of the pavement that we're looking at. So at a very basic level, we can retexture the road surface. What that is, it's a reworking of the existing surface. That improves the skid resistance of the road, and that's a really important element in maintaining safe road surfaces. And at a more detailed level and more structural level, we can recycle the entire pavement structure, sometimes 300 to 400 mil deep. And that offers huge benefits in terms of the economic and environmental aspects of the work we do in the plant maintenance team. Some of the schemes we've recently carried out involving recycling. We did a 2 projects on the A92 near Ladybank. As part of these schemes, we used a recycling process to rehabilitate the entire road pavement structure. What that involved was removing the old deteriorated materials from the road and taking them away and processing them at a nearby plant. So what we did there, we crushed and screened the materials. We added additional materials to improve the consistency of the overall mixture, and we added additional materials to improve the binding properties, the adhesive properties of that new material. That was then transported back to site, and we used that to form the new layers, the new base layers of the road, and that was the recycling and the reconstruction process. Best Scotland, we're constantly developing our 4-hour programme with maintenance works where we're identifying issues with the roads and the road pavements. And a key part of that work is evaluating the value of traditional construction methods using traditional materials against the advantages of undertaking a recycling or a retexturing technique. We have numerous schemes on the programme that are under development across the entire network where we're looking at recycling and retexturing. And really the driver for these is the fact that these techniques, they cut waste hugely, and they also reduce carbon emissions.